Hi, this is Kathleen, coming to you live from Blind Techie Geek Speak Studio. In today's segment, I'll be discussing about Domino's robot car delivery service. The robots are coming and they are bringing pizza. This week, Domino's is rolling out a robot car delivery service to select customers in Houston, Texas. Customers can choose robot delivery service and receive text messages with updates on the car's location and a numerical code that can be used to retrieve the order. The customer types the code on the box touch screen and the car doors open up for you to take the food out. R2 is the first robot delivery service. Domino's has been working on autonomous delivery service for years, and while the service is still in its infancy, the robot doesn't carry the pizza. My only suggestion for Domino's is to find a way for a blind person to verbally say the code in order to retrieve their order. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest segments. Have a great week.